Who calls himself a hobbyist.
And then the thing you also have to examine too, how many other guys out there, while they may not be as vocal or they're bumping me or whatever, how many of them don't know how to talk to a crew chief?
And that guy, Spice Boy, he knows as much about this as Bubba does. So they're talking. And then Brent, who knows about everything, he's got some sort of statistics he chimes in with.
Well, let me ask something.
Yeah.
Fred makes a point. Does every guy who is in NASCAR know how to tell the guys in the crew how to fix the car?
Yeah, evidently that's like a major thing.
The only reference I have is like people who are musicians. Some people don't know how to write music. Some people don't know what the notes are. Some people can't tell you how to turn an amp on.
Going out. You coming? Come on, puppy. Hi. You coming? Come on. Okay. You coming? Come on. Let's go see the boys. Hi, puppy. Come on.
I need help building a fort. I built my snowman.
It's very good.
His name's Snowflake. Oh, puppy.
How you doing, Poppy? Oh, it's deep, isn't it? How you doing? What are you guys doing? A snow fort?
Yes.
Hi Daniel. Hello. Alright Stuart.
Hey.
Hi Nathan.
Hi Jamie.
What's going on here?
Making a snow fort.
In the end, we're going to stick with this 10 to 16 or more throughout the majority of the area. Well north of our areas where it's going to be a little bit less. We don't see it having as much of an impact on places like Albany, but what do we care about that? 10 to 16 for our area. Lighter totals would be along the shoreline.
Not on, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
It is on.
Not on.
It is.
No. Hi. Yeah, it is, Georgia. But I bet I could do a belly flip in the snow and it wouldn't hurt.
What are you doing, Poppy?
Poppy doesn't.
Oh, she's freezing. She's freezing.
Okay. Bye. I'm going sledding.
Bye-bye.
Nope. I'm gonna get you.
Can you don't do that?
We're having a
Come on, Poppy. Come on. Hello, Sydney.
Hi, my dad bought us flip also.
He's what?
My dad bought us flip also.
Oh, cool. Where are you going?
We're going sledding.
Okay, be careful.
Okay. Saucers. Okay, bye. Bye. I just shoveled it. Wow, it's not a lot.
What?
We dropped peanuts and Poppy ate them.
That's okay. Come in.
It's like a snowflake.
Yeah.